it's an awareness session. Now the Purple Fest will be starting soon, and now this is the International Week of the Deaf People and Sign Languages. So every year it is celebrated in September by WFD, World Federation of the Deaf, to create awareness. So it's a festival for us. So this program is hosted on occasion of it. So on 22nd, 23rd and 24th, there are different programs that we have planned for the whole week. So we're starting off with here today at the mall. So I would like to invite our guest, that is the director ma'am of EPWD, Varsha Naik. Welcome ma'am. Also the Commissioner of Office of the Persons with Disability, Sir Guru Prasad Pawat sir. We have the head of the mall, who is managing everything, and he has given us this opportunity. Thank you, sir. And Sadia is here, who is the Purple Ambassador for International Purple Fest 2025. And we have Avelino sir. He is the DIAG. Welcome, sir. We'll keep the program very short. Sir, we would request sir to have a short word on this.
Good morning, friends. On behalf of Kapula Mall, I welcome you all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, all of you, and also Mr. Avelino, for giving us this opportunity to host all of you. At Kapula Mall, we always take pride in doing CSR activities, corporate social responsibility activities, and this is a part of that activity. We are very happy to see a lot of enthusiastic people participating in this entire pop-up market, which is basically put up by the entire community. So I welcome you all and wish you the best business here, and wishing you all happy Navratri. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. You have a really good heart that you have given this opportunity for us, and I hope this thing continue later on as well, and give us opportunity to host different programs. Previously also we have done such programs, and hope you will learn today and not forget those signs as well. Very happy that you are still signing and trying to do what you have learned before with us. Now we will start. We will request Commissioner sir to please give a short word.
Good morning. Welcome to this very innovative program which is happening here, organized by the Deaf Association of by Goa Association of Deaf EAD. With me, Director Ma'am Varsha Naik is here from the DPW Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Avelino from DRAC, Mr. David, and our Purple Ambassador who has got the calls here with us. So welcome to this beautiful session. Every year something or the other is happening when we have this big celebration going on. But apart from that, throughout the year, the Office of the State Commission has done so many programs for last few years, last 3-4 years, that we have lost the count of what we have done, how many programs we have done. But I think GAD should actually document this and tell us what impact it has made in the public. Just having the program for the sake of it without an impact on the society is of, I don't think, makes any sense. But all the programs so far done by GAD in association with the Office of the State Commissioner definitely have made a big impact not only on the community but also in the bureaucracy and the government offices. I am saying so because we now get a lot of inquiries from the government department asking us about sign language interpreter, asking us about various other things which earlier nobody used to kind of come forward and ask. This has happened only because of the program that Goa Association of Deaf and Office of the State Commission and now the department is doing together. And we will continue to do so. Purple Fest is a huge opportunity for everyone to come forward, participate, do networking, meet a lot of other people from your own sector, from other disabilities. And for deaf, we have this time International Deaf Conference. We have people coming from various countries who will be part of it. We have Sign Language Interpreters Conference which will be here. For the first time, we are going to have Deaf Football under the theme of Hello Deaf. So we are going to have almost 10 teams from all over the country will be here. Almost 200 people will be playing football in those days tournament. So it is something, this everything what we do ultimately helps in creating the sensitization and awareness in the community, which is very, very important. As we said, Purple Fest is not an event. We don't look at it as an event. It is a movement which we started and which is spreading across not only the country but across the world. I will not take much time. I would also like to mention that the new department has started just a year back, but within a year, under the able leadership of Director Varsha Naik, they are doing phenomenal job with very, very limited resources. They don't have much staff, but in spite of that, I think it's a great show that they are putting up. And whatever the schemes that the department is coming out, the GAD also should give their suggestion, advise the department, because ultimately it is the community that has to benefit from the schemes and programs of the department. So I wish all the very best to all of you and congratulations to the Purple Ambassador for being appointed as a Purple Ambassador. Only 3 Purple Ambassadors from Goa and she is one of them. So congratulations to her. I am sure she will make best use of this opportunity. I remember the earlier Purple Ambassador had the opportunity to travel to a foreign country and participate in a fashion show from Mandre. And I think Purple Fest gave us that opportunity. Otherwise, we are limited to one space. Only when we interact with others who are doing phenomenal job in this sector, it is a learning experience when we meet others and interact with others. So I think make best use of Purple Fest. Don't be in your own group of GAD. Just go around, meet new people from various other states who are coming here and try to learn what they are doing and also share your experience with them. With these few words, I once again congratulate Goa Association of Deaf and also many thanks to Kapula Mall for giving the space, allowing them to showcase the product which they have been always doing. Thanks to the chairman and the entire team of Kapula Mall, Mr. Darvish. That shows the community involvement in this, and the corporate sector is very, very important to take this forward. Again, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You always, thank you is not enough. It is like forever thanking you for always motivating us. And it is a very big impact on us and all the work that you are doing. Purple Fest, I hope it is very famous already. It is known by everybody. So it is not just related to our small state, that is Goa, but Goa has become so famous because of you, sir, internationally. So we hope all persons with disability are always connected like this and always get opportunity like International Purple Fest to grow. Hope that it will be very positive for us. And this year we have you and collaborating with us. So it is and they are very powerful if you go to see. It is very nice to have International Purple Fest and they are approving to be a part of it. We are very fortunate for this. Thank you for bringing this to us. Thank you so much, sir. Sadia, the Purple Ambassador.
Sadia has to be ready to speak without any, preparation. So she should not be saying no and this. She has to have this confidence now, and we know that she has the confidence because during the purple match she will be called at many places at the last moment to speak. So she has to be prepared for all these things, and that is why we have selected Sadia to be the purple ambassador, because we know that she will do a great job and ensure that everything goes on very smoothly. So all the very best to you.
Thank you, sir. I'm very much happy to see you all today here at the mall, and thank you, sir, for approving for us to host this pop-up today. Roshan, thank you. We have been in coordination for a very long time now in discussion. In the very last moment also it was such a chaos, and still we could do it, and it was very difficult thinking. I wasn't sure how to go about with everything. It was very difficult for us to manage everything. Yet I was very much not sure how this will go, and she helped me a lot. There was a lot of communication errors, but then we coordinated very much nicely. Thank you for Josina and her as well. Thank you for helping us so much. Thank you, sir, Commissioner sir and Varsha ma'am, for coming today. Because we were trying to have you all here, and we got this opportunity to motivate the entrepreneurs. Thank you so much. So we have Sadia here as our ambassador today. We are very much happy, all of us. Sorry we forgot to start off with greeting you all with flowers, and we'll request to give the flowers now. So, Commissioner sir, will request Krutika to give flower to Commissioner sir. Now we'll request Bakri to give flower to Varsha ma'am. We'll request Krutika to give flower to sir for approving all this and arranging everything. Thank you, sir. We'll request Bhakti to give flower to Sadia, our Purple Ambassador. Requesting Krutika to give a flower to Avilendra sir. Now, Roshan will request you to please come here. We would like to give you a flower for helping us out in arranging everything. So we will start with our session of awareness in ISL. So we like to give flowers to Rahul and Sujata for agreeing to have this awareness session for everybody. So we thank you so much everybody for being part of this program. we are very grateful to the mall to provide this facility for free. There were a lot of time where it was difficult. Many of persons with disability would try to coordinate to have stalls exhibited at the mall, but it was difficult to arrange it. Thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity to host this program today. So, Varsha ma'am and Commissioner sir, we know that you are very busy arranging for the Purple Fest and everything, and being in last moment and you all have agreed to come. Thank you so much. And you all came for this program despite being busy. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Sadia, you have taken this initiative of hosting this program for the first time for deaf women, being an entrepreneur first in Goa and having all this arranged. We are very happy to see your arrangement, to see my friend doing this as an ambassador. Lastly, Avelino sir, you always support persons with disability for anything, so we are very grateful to you as well. And all the people who have come here for this program, taking your time, thank you so much.
I just forgot, I think we have this National Institute of Aliyawar Jung here in Goa, okay? Which after a very long follow-up, I could manage to get them here. It is not very easy to get a National Institute of that repute, which is working in this line for last 30 years, to come and set up their administration in the state of Goa. We managed to get them almost 1.5 years back. We are also starting with the CRC, Composite Regional Center in the state from the central government. Why I am telling you this is, I think GAD, that is Goa Association of Deaf, should ensure that they should have a continuous program lined up, have a proper plan for the entire year with Aliyawar Jung. Aliyawar Jung has got all the expertise with them, make use of them, because there are national institutes based out of Goa now. So it is, if you have a proper program planned for the entire year, it will be convenient for everybody to know that so and so programs are planned, and it is important, like this program, that you go to the community and do the program and take help of the resources of Aliyawar Jung and push them to do this, and they'll be more than happy to do all these programs in the community. I see most of the programs happening in Panji city. You need to go to other places as well. There's something in Ponna, Marga, Vasco, Kankon, Kepe, Sangye, Savarde. So many places are there. I think it is important that we do programs in other small places also and not only focus on Panji. I mean, this is just a suggestion, but I think with Aliyawar Jung this is possible because they will help you with a lot of their resources. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the suggestion. This International Week of the Deaf, we have included the student of Aliyawar Jung to go to various departments along with Sujata and Rahul, so that they can also learn and do the same in the future as well. So we have given them this opportunity. Hope that also goes well. So deaf community plus different sign language. So we are trying to have Aliyawar Jung also. And thank you for approving for all this and signing MOU with the university and bringing Aliyawar Jung here in Goa. Thank you, sir. And starting the CRC is very grateful, very good opportunity for us all. Thank you. Also forgot to mention and give flower to the teacher of Aliyawar Jung. His name is Sarvesh Malvi. Thank you for attending this program and also for the media being present here. Everybody a big thank you. So we end this program and start off with the awareness session. Thank you so much. Hello, my name is Sadia. I have been chosen as Purple Ambassador for International Purple Fest Goa 2025. Today, on occasion of International Week of Deaf People and International Day of Sign Languages, we have hosted a program. It is an opportunity of having a pop-up stalls at Kakulo Mall. This program aims to motivate persons with disability entrepreneurs. In another 17 days, we are having International Purple Fest Goa 2025 from 9 to 12th October 2025. We hope all persons with disability plus general public to be attending this program. Thank you so much.
We at Kakulo Mall are very happy to host this pop-up market as a part of the International Purple Fest. We are thankful to the State Commission for Persons with Disabilities and also the Department for Empowerment of Persons with Disability and DRAG for giving us this opportunity. At Kakulo Mall, we always look for a corporate social responsibility like this, and we make it a part of our activities. Here, we are happy to see all the friends coming in here and showcasing their products, which definitely will give a lot of entrepreneurial boost to them. We are also happy to see that the people, basically the ladies from the community are coming in and going ahead with showcasing their product. We are thankful to all of you, and we look forward to host such kind of activities again in future too. Thank you very much.